Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own custom exterior texture for the Tardis rewrite. Now this method will enable you to replace an old skin for the default Tardis and make your own customized one. So for this you'll need Photoshop, a program called VTF Edit, and you'll also need the original Tardis rewrite, which is, these will all be in the description except Photoshop because that would be illegal. So what you actually need to do is open up this zip file, which is basically the Tardis Rewrite base add-on. So you need to unsubscribe from the one on the workshop, and you can just replace this when it gets updated. Instead, this is just the extracted version. So then you need to go to Steam, Gary's Mod, and find your local files. And then you need to go to Gary's Mod add-ons and drop this one in. And that will extract. So, once that's extracted, you can close that and go into the, where is it, Tardis Rewrite Master, go to Materials, Models, Doctor Matte, Tardis Exterior, and one of these will what you'll be replacing. So, I'd prefer to do the Hurt one because, well, I find that one. Now, you're going to need to open this with VTF Edit, and you'll come to something like this, and this is the base texture. This is how it all works. And you're going to need to go to File, and I believe, no, not save as, you need to export it as a PNG because you cannot open VTF files in Photoshop, I think. So export as PNG, you can use anything really, and just save it there. You then need to open up Photoshop as well. Once you're in Photoshop, minimize this and drag the file you extracted into it. And then it will load up. Now you'll notice it's very translucent, so you can create a black color and then just fill it. Wait, no, fill it in a. Don't do that. Create a new layer. Control Shift N, and then you can see it much easier. You can delete this layer after you've finished with it. So it's up to you really what you're gonna do with it. I'm gonna just texture a little bit. You can use any of the skins and just do the same method. I'm going to change the font on the sign. No, that's the wrong thing to delete. And then, wait, if we just delete that. Yeah, you don't want to do that. So in fact, let's just create two layers so we're doubly sure we don't delete the wrong thing. Probably. I just don't make a hole in it. So just fill in that bit. No, it's up to you really. Then I'm just going to get Septex public call box or something. I probably could have left the original one there. I think it's actually the Arial font. It's similar to that anyway. There we go. Maybe it's going to be Septex's shed. If you make bright white colours, they tend to glow a bit better as well. So I'm just going to shed. I mean, these two terms sort of just mean the same thing anyway. Okay, with the sign done, we can move on to do something else. Now, I want to change the doors, the windows slightly, and have my logo in the background because I reckon that would be cool. I've just realised that I've merged all the layers together. Whoops. You want to keep the black away, otherwise it will become really dark in the game. So now I'm going to sit work on the windows, and I'm going to try and keep the bars in, because they look quite nice anyway. Just going to give this sign a little yellow tint, and it's almost done. In fact, I just want to get some weeds and put them worn out. Let's just grab some. It's beginning to look a bit more like my real Tardis actually. You can then go ahead in game and spawn the Tardis rewrite. Make sure it's on the default one. Go to skin and then skin 3, and you can see, well, fair enough for a first attempt, our Tardis that we were just photoshopping. Obviously you need to understand how the bounds work. Different parts will cover different bits, so for the grass I could have put the texture over the center column, maybe. It's grass, so you might get hay fever. But yeah, there's my TARDIS. Well, an edit of the skin. Hope you found this interesting. Now go make your own skins. Goodbye.